would recommend a gel-based cleanser, with which Rejuvenate has. And now we're going to talk about the products. We know about our Anew Rejuvenate line. It's blue. It also comes in a trial kit. Have you seen these trial kits? Yeah. You should have a couple of each one ready to go for you customers. They're awesome. You can use them for Handcials right on the spot. It's a beautiful presentation. They get a full eye cream in it. They get a 1 to 2 week supply of a cleanser, a day cream, and a night cream. Phenomenal. All right? It's for your first signs of aging, including fine lines, uneven skin tone, dullness, rough texture, and large pores. Great for oily skin. Okay? Great for oily skin. So if a person's main concern is breaking out oily skin, this is going to be the product you would recommend. It also has micro-extraction technology, which actually digs out all the dirt and oil in your skin. Okay? And it shrinks the pores and refines your skin texture. It also smooths the skin texture with RevitaFresh, which is a cell bonding technology. It draws the cells closer together to make a more smoother texture. It has beta-hydroxy acid in it, which you will see in the ingredients, salicylic acid. When you see that, you know it's BHA. Great for adult acne. Any questions about Rejuvenate? Okay, we'll move on. Reversalist. We don't have a trial kit for that yet, but it is coming. It is coming, okay? For moderate signs of aging, including wrinkles, discoloration, and some loss of firmness. This is great for people who are starting to see those dark spots emerge, and people who have had a lot of sun damage done to their face, okay? And don't ever forget about the neck and chest area as well. It has activinol technology, which reactivates the skin's natural healing process. We have something naturally in us called activin. When we get a cut, our body produces activin, which makes cells reproduce and to heal the skin, and bring the skin closer together and heal it. Right? We've all healed from a cut. Well, what micro-injuries are, wrinkles are micro-injuries to our skin, caused by sun damage and UVA rays compressing the collagen in our skin. So by producing activinol, the activinol helps produce the activin in our skin. It kind of gets that process going. It gets our cells reproducing to start the healing. It has alpha-hydroxy acid in it as well, glycolic version. It reduces the look of wrinkles. It helps fade discolorations. This is a skin brightener. It brightens your skin. You look illuminated when you wear this. I love this product. It visibly brightens and evens the skin tone and increases firmness because it's producing cells, and the alpha-hydroxy acid wakes up that process as well, and that fluffs up the collagen. And collagen is that spongy material that gives our skin that smooth texture and pushes up against those lines and wrinkles that have fallen in, the injuries that we call wrinkles. Any questions on Reversalist? All right. The serum has 5 times the amount of activinol in it than the regular moisturizer in the jar. Okay. Ultimate. For advanced signs of aging, including deep wrinkles, darker age spots, dryness, loss of elasticity, volume, and cushion. So if the person is losing a lot of elasticity, volume, and cushion, gravity is like not their friend. Bad. Gravity is bad. So what you want to try and do is rebuild that collagen in the skin with the alpha-hydroxy acid that's in it. But also it has the pro-sirtuin technology, which stimulates sirtuin, youth proteins, which are also found naturally in our skin. It helps increase cell production, again, okay, and protects youth cells. It actually is a protein. And what proteins do is it envelopes, it covers the youth cells and protects it from further damage and helps it live longer. So not only are you producing more cells, but you're keeping them younger longer. Alpha hydroxy acid in the glycolic form is in there. It restores cushion and bounce. It reduces the look of deep wrinkles, and it visibly restores a youthful vitality to the skin. The skin will look more supple and smooth, and if you see someone with dry skin and they put makeup on it, it always makes them look older. So you need to get that dry skin off. Everyone, no matter how wrinkled your skin looks, always looks younger and better when their skin is smoother and the makeup goes on smooth. It's very difficult to show how wonderful our color cosmetics are when they don't go on smooth. So you want to make sure before you are applying that foundation that their skin is being treated with a good skincare line. A Handcial. Anybody ever hear of a Handcial? Yes. Okay, good. That means you're all listening. There's 10 easy steps to a Handcial to really make it effective. This is what you would do after the consultation. 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to go through this really quick. A Handcial is something you do with your customer after you have determined what product line they should be using. Okay? So whether you have a trial kit with you or you have some of the products right here with you in a little bag. So I have my night cream, my day cream, okay? I have my serum, and I have my eye cream. And because I'm using jar products, I'm also going to use Q-tips, which I will never double dip. Once they go in the jar and on the person's hand, they go in the garbage. And then you get it the other side, or you take a new one, and never put your finger in the jar. So you want to keep the bacteria out. And this all fits in those beautiful, remember those beautiful gold bags? I love them. Okay, campaign 2, there we go. And of course you want to have the clinical peel on hand, which is great for most people. That would be a good Handcial kit. What do you do with your Handcial kit? Well, you will get an out loud yes from your customer, and you will use it only on one of her hands. So you will make sure that she is a willing participant to participate in your Handcial. You will try the retexturizing peel, and I'm going to demonstrate this, so I'm going to fly through the steps right now, and then I'll show you. You would demonstrate the eye treatment. You would demonstrate the serum, the moisturizer. You could do one or both. And then you would ask her to compare her hands, imagine it on her facial skin, and introduce her to the trial kit if we have one. If not, you can give her samples and make your own trial kit of Reversalist until we get the trial kit in. And make sure your client understands how to use the product and in what order. And number 10, you're going to follow up a few days later, make sure she likes what she's using, maybe ask her if anybody of her, that she knows would like the same type of consultation and the same kind of customer service you've provided. And then 4 weeks later, contact her again. Maybe there's a sale going on, but you know she's going to be needing a replenishment. That is the beauty.